Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods. Affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you a Copycat Baconator and a double stacked cheeseburger from Wendy's. Alright, but better than Wendy's actually. Alright, so right here I have like, let me see this. This is a pound. This is a pound of lean ground beef. 92 and 8% right here, guys. Alright, I got 2 packages of that, so that's 2 pounds. I have some cheddar cheese, not yellow cheese, I mean not American cheese, but this is cheddar cheese that I'm going to use today on mine. This paper right here, parchment paper, I'm just going to use this to make the hamburger, the patty, make them square, in other words, okay? Alright, you're going to need a knife. You're going to need some applewood bacon right here. And you're going to also need some buns. Right here. This is brioche buns. I'm going with the Duke mayonnaise right here today. And you're gonna need some pickles or a double stack, and you're gonna need an onion, some ketchup, and this is my spray butter that I'm gonna use, and a little. I'm gonna go with the Goya. The seasoning with, now they don't season their meat, okay, so I'm gonna season mine. That's what we're gonna make it better. And I got some ketchup. So for your Baconator, you're gonna need 6 pieces of bacon, 3 on the top and 3 in the middle. Double stack, you're gonna need 3 pieces of bacon, okay? That's on top with some mayonnaise and mayo. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. See you guys after I open this stuff up and get right to it in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to show you how to make a square burger. It's easy to make, really. So the Baconator and most of the Wendy's burgers are like square, like this, as far as the Baconator and double stack. So I'm going to show you one. I already made up my other ones. I just do this. You hit it down. You ain't got to hit it, but just put it on the paper. Press down on it, get about the size you want. Take your knife and just push to the sides, just like this, all the way around. About the size you want it, just go all the way around. That's all I did. Unless you got you some like some type of device that you can just go ahead and punch it out or whatever, or fit it inside something to square it off. Yep, this is all I did, guys. Figure if I'm gonna make it, I might as well make it right? Side look like it's a little bit longer over here. So I'm going to push on over this way a little bit to make this side about even out. And that's it. That's it. Ain't got to be perfect or nothing. But that's how you do it, okay? And you can put you some seasoning on yours, but this is going to be at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and season this a little bit with a little pepper, a little adobo on all of them. Then when I put it on the grill, then we just season that side. That's all you got to do, guys. So that is done. I'm continuing to do these. I did do my bacon. I'm gonna put this in the oven right here. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400. Matter of fact, I might want to do it now, right? And I'll take you guys over there. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and start doing our buns first. Like I said, you can use any type of buns you want to. This brioche buns. So I'm just gonna spray a little butter on it. Just like that. They brown up pretty quick too, so be mindful of it. And what I did, I turned my eye on and I turned it back off. Cause I want my stuff to be right. I know you do too. So yeah, so that's how we're gonna do that. We're just gonna brown those up, lightly toast them, and then we'll take them back over there to the station. The bacon's doing well, and when this get done, we'll fry up them burgers. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is how about brown you want them, right here. Okay. So be careful with these. The brioche brown, they cook very fast, okay? Alright. When these get done, then we go ahead and do them burgers. See you guys in a minute. Just want to let you guys know that. In a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. Go ahead and start doing these burgers. So let me put this on here. Like so. Down a little bit, so this side will cook faster. Alright. Now, put our seasoning on there. Just like so. Just like that, guys. Alright, we're going to cook those approximately about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I got mine on medium low. I like to take my time and let it go slow. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. We flip them over though. That's what we'll be doing. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. As you can see, I just flipped them. And we're just going to let them go for another 3 to 4 minutes on that side. And we'll be all done with these Baconator and double stack Copycat cheeseburgers from Wendy's. In a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and start putting this stuff together. Give me some mayo. Put it on the bottom. On the top. That's right, a Baconator and a double stack cheeseburger. Copycat from Wendy's. Alright, guys. We're going to come in here. Let's start with our burgers and stuff first. A little piece of bacon. Put our cheese on there. Just like that. We're gonna come with some ketchup. With this one. And some pickles. And some onions. It's gonna be our double stack. This one get 3 pieces of bacon. That mug is high in it. Can't even see it in the camera now. That mug is big. Yep. Alright, let's do our Baconator. And there you go. Just like that. Now that's how you make a Baconator and a double stack. But better than Wendy's. I guarantee you. It's a copycat sandwich. But I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm all done. Well, I'm already done. I'll show you the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this copycat Wendy's Baconator and double stack cheeseburger. Alright. Here's that. Show you guys that up close. That's the Baconator. Double stack. Alright. Now I don't want no cheeseburger today, but my kids will be very happy to eat this. Alright, but once again guys, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.